Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my second tutorial on HTML and CSS. What are we going to do now is open a new part. So open a new part here. So before we start, I want to tell you some things that are very important. All websites are made by something called tags. Tags are pieces of website. If you need to put picture in your website, you need a tag for that picture. And if you need to tag a link, you need tag for that link. And they are all different type of tags. Like if you are going to tag an image, you have to do like this, img stamp for image. So all these, every tag has its own written code that you use to tag it. And all website is a bunch of tags combined that make a complex website. In order to make tag, here is a basic layer of it. Let's create a page tag now. Check this out. And you need this special that is used once in a website, and it's called doc type. Let me type it here so that you can see. So I'm going to, between these greater than and less than, I want to type my doc type. HTML, yeah. So here is the beginning of my website. So now I'm specifying that I am going to write a code using HTML. So let's go ahead and see what are we going to do right now. And the first thing you have to do right now is, your entire website is in between your HTML tags. Let me show you something. So here is the opening head of my website, HTML. Yeah, let me put it. Yeah, super. So here is the head of my, here is the beginning of my website here. So I'm going to specify my end of my website. This light show that here is the end of my website. If I write something under this, so it's going to show some errors to me. So you have to see everything I put right over here inside here is going to be inside my website. So and every website is made up of two parts. The first part is head and the second part is body. So let's try our head here, and let me tell you something again. The first part is the head, so the second part is the body. The head is where all your browser information go, like keyword, search engine, and text and pictures. Some of them goes in your body. Yeah. So let us try to do something here. Let's try our head. So my head ends. Okay, let me do this shortly here. So here is my head, where my head begin start from, and here is going to be the end of my head. So that is something that called title and head that is used on that head. And you can tag some things, that are some things that you can tag under your head, like let's say title, and let me end my title here. You can do this and you can go back like this anyway inward. So let me show you so that you guys can know. So here is my title. So let's say now, hey, this is my title. So you can, because I don't have Japanese experience right now. So yeah, we are going to save this and see. Let me save this. And that's something here that you may do mistakes about it. The main of the home page is named as index. Index is the main name of home page. So I have to save it. I have to write index.html as you see here, because I'm too lazy. And don't save it as text file. That's something called hypertext markup language. So HTML as you see here. So save it as hypertext. So let's save it as desktop. So as you see my index over here. So let me check my what did I have done right now. So as you see my title has pop up here. So let me verify this for you. And you can also do this, go like this. It's all the same, and let's save it and see. See, doesn't change. So let me do something here. Haha, and go and save it. As you have seen, haha pop up here. So let's talk about body. Body is not inside head. I told you before. It's a tag. Its own. So let's write our body here. What is inside of website is what is body. Body means my body stat. So where my body ends. As you have seen here. So if people can understand where I'm going to. So here is my body here. Here's my start. Boom. Oh, what the heck? So here is my body, and here is the end of my body. Everything I wrote here is inside my website. Let me show you something. So go and save it. Refresh. See. So here is what I wrote. My body, as you have seen, has pop up here. So thanks for watching my video. In next video I'm going to show you how to put your pic and some links, everything. If you have question, comment me below and I will answer it, inshallah. I will try my best for you guys. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.